Hello, this is part 2 of our video on tallies, graphs, and measurements. So what is the total amount of hot dogs, cookies, and donuts that Bob has? Hot dogs, we have 5 hot dogs. We can look right here and see there are 5 hot dogs. Okay, so we know that one of our numbers here is going to be 5 plus cookies. How many cookies do we have? How many cookies? Right, we have 2 cookies, so 5 plus 2, and then we're going to keep adding one more thing. What's that last thing that we need to add? We have hot dogs and cookies. What do we still need? Donuts. How many donuts do we have? You can look at the data here in the text or here on the chart. 3 donuts. So we know that we need to add all these numbers together. Let's see if you can notice anything about 2 of these numbers. That would make this problem super easy for us to solve. Okay, does anyone see it? Tell me, what's 2 plus 3? 5. So let's bring our other 5 right here. What's 5 plus 5, everybody? Right, 10. We like counting 5 plus 5. All right, 5 plus 5 is 10. So the total amount of hot dogs, cookies, and donuts that Bob has is 10. Good job. Let's move on to the next problem. What food does Bob have the most of? The most. You might also hear people ask you, which food does Bob have the greatest amount of? So which one has the most? Can we tell for sure by looking at our graph, our bar graph? Burgers, right? Burgers are definitely the one with the most. Now, which one does Bob have the least of? What food does Bob have the least of? Remember, least and less. Less, least. Okay, so which one is the least? Right, you have to look really closely because cookies has 2. Donuts has 3. Donuts has 1 more. So cookies would be our answer for that. Cookies and get a text box here. Cookies are going to be the least. As soon as I can get this to move. And we said burgers were the most. Job. All right, let's see what's next. Let's see where all these crazy arrows are taking us. All right. This says, use paper clips to measure the objects. Write how long each item is in paper clips, and then answer each question. So go ahead and pause the video and measure these out yourself, and then play it whenever you're ready. Okay, so let's see. How many paper clips long is our paintbrush? How many paper clips long is that paintbrush? I see 1, 2 paper clips. There are 2. Okay, what about our stick? 1, 2, 3. 3 paper clips. Oh, this is a big tape dispenser. Let's see how many we have here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So now we can tell how long each item is in paper clips. Now we have to answer some questions. Is the paintbrush longer than or shorter than the stick? Is the paintbrush longer than or shorter than that stick? The paintbrush is shorter than the stick, right? Because the paintbrush only has 2. The stick has 3. So over here we would circle or underline longer than. Paintbrush is longer than. The tape is shorter than or longer than the stick. The tape is shorter than or longer than the stick. Right. The tape is longer than the stick. But if you notice, they put those words in a different order. They might be trying to trick us. How much longer was the paintbrush than the stick? Answer that one on your own, please. How much longer was the paintbrush than the stick? Actually, how much longer was the stick than the paintbrush? I'm sorry. Sorry, teacher oopsie. Was the stick than the paintbrush? So how much longer? First of all, we need to figure out how long the stick was. The stick was 3. And then remember, whenever we're finding out how much longer than, or what's the difference between, when we hear that word difference, that means subtract. So how much longer was the stick than the paintbrush? How long was the paintbrush? What are we going to take away from 3? Right, we're going to take away 2 from 3. What is 3 minus 2? If I have 3 M&Ms and then I eat 2, how many more do I have left? Okay, 3, 2, 1. I was using those touch dots to count down. You could also just do it on your fingers or just practice your math facts so that you're quick at it. All right, now which one was the longest item? Which one was the longest? I think it's definitely going to be the tape. The tape has how many? The tape has 5. The stick only has 3 and the paintbrush only has 2. So definitely the tape. So we could just put tape, or we can just, let me get this text here. Let's restate it. So the longest item is the tape. And then that question is solved. Okay, so I really hope that this video has helped you to review what we've been talking about. And if anyone has any questions, feel free to email me those questions or concerns. And I hope that you have a wonderful remainder of your snow days, and I hope that we can see each other soon.